Wow, this is a really challenging question. What we'll need to know to solve this is that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, and the sum of the internal angles in any polygon is 180 multiplied by the number of sides the polygon has minus 2. Oh, and we'll probably also need to know that the sum of the angles in a straight line is 180. So to start us off, we're given this angle A, and we're also told that all of these triangles are isosceles triangles. We can mark the other two angles as equal to one another, and let's just use the club symbol to represent them. Now, as we move to the right to this next triangle, which is also isosceles, there's an important inference we can make here thanks to the fact that the sum of the angles in a straight line is 180. You see, if this one is a club, then this one must be 180 minus a club, which then means that this one is a club again. But following that logic through, all of these angles must be equal to a club. Now, what is this club? It would be 180 minus a divided by 2. This is because the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So now let's also talk about an angle that we'll call spade. If each club is half of 180 minus a, then a spade is 180 minus club, because they are the two angles on a straight line. But hang on, there's another way for us to define the spade. We have this polygon with 9 sides, so we know that the total of the internal angles would have to be 7 times 180. So that means that 9 spades is equal to 7 times 180. But let's reduce that equation by a factor of 9. And I suppose now all we have left to do is solve this equation for a, and we're done. So simplifying the equation further, we get 180 minus 90 plus a over 2. Remember there that minus minus turns into plus, and finish it off from there. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.